Hey guys, so we have finally made it back up to the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. We
Yes.
love this area.
We've been trying to come back since we were here 2 summers ago.
We found an opportunity, so we took it, and so we're going to be here for the season. But there's a lot to do here, a lot to see, and we're really, really close to the water, so that's going to be fun.
Yes, we are very excited to be here.
We actually get to cross off another Great Lake of getting in, getting our toes in, so it'll be Lake Huron.
Yeah. And then maybe as we head down, when we go back down to Florida, we're going to try and hit Erie as well.
But yeah, we're enjoying being up here. It is 70 to 75 maximum, and it's about high 40s, low 50s during the nights, which is our speed. We love that kind of weather. Guys, we have ventured out today from the campground, and we got a killer view. So that is the Mackinac Bridge right there behind us. We are on the water.
We've been in town for just over a week, but it's time to get groceries. So we're going to head into Sheboygan to get some groceries.
It's a fun name to say.
It is.
But that one is the closest one, but you got to go over the bridge. So we stopped to get the Mac Pass.
We did.
Because it's basically a buy one, get one free bridge trip. So you pay, and if you return within 48 hours, the back trip is free.
But yeah, you don't pay for the pass, you just load it. Basically, it's a way for them to track better, I think, is why they do it.
Not just that, but also it's a mandatory $48 load at the beginning.
Yeah.
So that's fine, whatever.
All right, bridge is coming up.
And what it does is it counts your axles. So if you drive across with an RV or a trailer, it's no big deal. If you drive across with a truck and then come back with a trailer, then it just counts the axles, no big deal. So we get to go through the pass lane. Let's see how this goes.
All right, well, I'm gonna turn the camera. Back pass only. I feel special. Oh. Yeah! That was fast. There's the bridge. Woo-hoo! We like bridges, don't we?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I like bridges. They're fun. And they're cool looking.
Not gonna lie, they make me a little nervous.
See we're on a land bridge right now.
Yep.
And then we get ready to get onto the actual bridge.
is this so iconic? Why do people want to come to this bridge?
Because they've never been to the Sunshine Skyway, or like the Jacksonville Bridge, or the Mississippi bridges over on
Maybe I've
I-40
just been
and
spoiled.
I-10. Like, those bridges are monsters. And then the Afajilaya, which is like 30 minutes of bridge.
But see, I feel like I've been spoiled by bridges because this doesn't feel all that epic.
Oh, it is. This is epic.
This is pretty cool.
Massive view. I see the land thousands of miles away.
I mean, it's beautiful. I'm not denying that.
I see
It's
the
just-
land thousands of miles away. I think I can see the shepherd's yacht. I think I can see the shepherd's ferry
Oh yeah,
from here.
Sheplers.
My bad, shepherd.
They do come up underneath here.
Why?
I think I can see
They
it.
Oh,
don't need to.
So if you choose a certain ferry time, you can.
Just wait.
Sheplers will come up to the go under the bridge, so you can take pictures, and they give you a little bit of like history lesson about it.
We're here.
So speed limit is 45, loaded trucks is 20, so RVs and semis and all that is supposed to be 20. Oh, and the inside is grates.
I
The
see
outside
that.
is asphalt.
That's-
It's to lighten the bridge.
I wonder if it's
lighter
also to
weight.
keep liquid off of it.
Yeah, so the rain comes, but also because it is tilted. It's tilted in like this. The road is basically a V, so the water drains right out these metal grates on the left lanes.
Yeah,
And there's the connection. Now we're on the suspension.
this is cool. I do like bridges. They are cool.
We are almost at the peak. You're gonna get a quick panoramic.
We're at the peak.
I have
Right,
seen
so-
way too many videos or movies where bridges collapse though. I will say that.
Well, it'll be quick.
We're at the peak.
It'll be a terrifying
We're at the
quick
peak
though.
of the bridge. Mom, all it takes is one cable and this whole bridge is gone.
That is
All it takes is one cable and this whole thing is gone.
terrifying, isn't it?
Yeah, one cable gets even loose, it's gonna fall apart.
It's a pretty cool bridge.
All of it.
It is.
So this is a freaking awesome bridge. Hey,
It's
there's
not
some
filming
cars
or do
that
we
go
get
down
Alright,
way
we're
across
off the
it?
suspension. Officially off the first piece of suspension.
And the people who died making it.
Hey guys, so we are at the Mackinac City car show. We're checking it out. There's a lot of cars here. Should be a lot of fun. Hey, you holding my hand?
Yes.
All right.
They got a freaking Jack Hudson here.
Do they? It's pretty cool. There's a lot of cars here.
They're old too.
Yep.
They look cool. Ah! Whoa, blue truck. That's cool.
Do you like Billy Shrek?
So
Oh, it's mirrored on the inside. That's cool.
cool. That thing's cool.
Look on the sheet, you got all kinds of this literature, and it's like the original build sheet with it. Snake upgrade.
We've been walking for a while, and there's still cars. This is one of the biggest car shows in the United States. It used to be bigger than it currently is, but because car shows have become popular, not as many people come to this one as they used to. But it's still, the whole town closes down, and it's right here on the water, which is really, really cool. And we've seen some really cool old trucks and cars, and it's just been a lot of fun. We love old towns for stuff like this. You having fun?
Yay! Yes!
There's 6 of us, and we RV. are now at Clyde's Drive-In. They have a couple of tables here by the side of the building. But this is a local place here in St. Ignace. It's a hotspot that we've been recommended to try out. So,
Yep. So we did the car show. We didn't film much in the car show. We did get a ton of pictures though.
stop it, little.
But enjoy this collage of pictures, and then
We'll share what we got here too.
yeah, it's supposed to be pretty good.
Yep. Okay, so I completely forgot to actually get a picture or video of the food when we first got it. But everybody got something different. Jeremy got a burger. That's gone. Joshua got the fish sandwich, the white fish sandwich.
Really good.
It was really good. Johnny got a hot dog
And a cool Bonneville car.
and a car box for the kids' meal.
We all
Jackson,
got chocolate shapes.
we did.
Pizza burger.
Jefferson's
still have some.
got a green Bonneville Bel Air car,
I gave Jackson a pack
and then Jackson got the pizza burger,
which is barely silly.
and then I got a everything burger with mushroom and Swiss on it, which was
That
really,
is
really
gone.
good. It is gone.
And when she says everything, she legitimately means everything.
It was all really good. Definitely worth
That was
checking
so
it out.
good.
We also got some cheese curds and some macaroni and cheese bites. So it was good. Want to say anything?
Beep beep.
It's good food. It's definitely worth stopping at and getting a meal while you're here. In St. Ignace.
It's definitely busy, for sure.